I'm going to show you Komodo macros and how they can be used to interact with the Komodo editing component.
Now the editor component is what holds the text, so you can get at the text, you can get where the cursor position, you can look at the selections, you can make selections, search through the text, highlight positions, and do a whole bunch of things programmatically through JavaScript and Python using Komodo macros. Now I have a bit of an interesting macro here called Deep Blue, and what I'm going to do is just show you what it's actually doing first. And to launch a macro, you actually go to your toolbox and then you can double click on it to start it executing. So this particular macro is playing a game of chess, and this chess game was played by Deep Blue, which is an IBM research project, playing against Garry Kasparov, who is a grandmaster, and this was played back in 1996-1997. But the interesting part for Komodo is that it's using Unicode text. So actually each of these characters are 3 bytes long. It's positioning these characters, moving them around in a chessboard, highlighting the move, and also doing some commentary. So all of this is being done programmatically through JavaScript on the fly using a Komodo macro. So that's really interesting, and to actually show you the details of that, I'm actually going to close this macro now. Here we go. No, I don't want to save. And this is the contents. So what I'm doing is creating a new view asynchronously in Komodo, and then I'm calling a function to start playing my game of chess. And I'm doing an initial board, and I'm using SciMoz, which is the handle to the editor object. And I'm using the SciMoz API to set the information and play the intros, making moves, and things like get text, replace target, which is replacing text, and highlighting. So I'm using position after to find out the length of a character, and move and highlight, and finding column position. So all of this is happening via JavaScript within this Komodo macro.